everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to go over an A122 BH Rockwood. It's a 2018. We're going to start on the inside and we'll finish off on the outside. Come with me. Welcome to this humble abode. What a great trailer. So we've got a dinette here in the front of the trailer. Nice window for looking out and enjoying the view. Good head height on this particular A-frame with the extra opening area here in the front. This dinette does make down into a second sleeping area. In the back, we've got the main bed. We've got some hanging storage here. Great place to put paper plates, small utensils, stuff like that. Below the bed, we've got some seriously great storage here. There's a porta potty that comes with the trailer. There is a table there, and there is a barbecue somewhere in here that is going to mount on the exterior there as well. Oh, the barbecue's right here. So let's move that over and show off the kitchen. So you've got a sink with hot and cold running water here. Got a nice 3-burner stove here. Fridge below. Cabinet here. Microwave here, as well as a drawer below there. And then there is storage underneath this booth. On the back booth, we've got the circuit breaker and fuses, some electrical stuff, and an LP furnace as well. So you can heat this trailer with the LP furnace or the Cool Cat heat pump that runs off electricity. Your thermostat's right here. Your stereo controls are right here. You've even got USB and HDMI. Of course, your fire extinguisher here. As we go out, we see we do have a full-size grab handle here, nice for getting in and out. Here's your antenna for your AM/FM stereo. 110 power. Little amber light there, help keep the bugs down. Outside speaker. This rack right here, or this rail, is where the barbecue will mount. Also, that table will mount here. And you can tie your barbecue into the onboard propane via this connection right here. So this is the storage underneath that bed there. It's actually a big area under there. Full-size spare tire, Wi-Fi extender. Remember, we've got LEDs throughout on this trailer. Let's show off this storage right here. I love this feature, the pull-out tray. It just saves your back and makes life really easy for some of that heavier, awkward items to get to. As we move down the trailer, we've got the back of the Cool Cat heat pump right here. This is where we fill our water we're going to take with us. Your cable, and this is where you dump your water. This is for gray. So you'll just undo this, let it drain out into a bucket or basin, and dispose of that properly. If you're going to be in a park, this is where your city water fill will be connected. Hot and cold outside shower here. This is the back of the refrigerator. This is the exhaust for the LP furnace, and it does get hot, so keep that in mind. This is where the 30-amp power cord will connect. It does come with the trailer. And this is your water heater. As we wrap around back to the front here, you can see you've got an electric tongue jack. You can see you've also got this toy lock here, which is fantastic. Good for locking up bikes, quads, generators, anything of value. Those Yeti coolers, those aren't cheap. It's a good way to secure your stuff. So folks, if you have any questions on this RV or any of our RVs we have in stock, please give me an opportunity. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.